Hello, and welcome back to Dark Meat Growing. Today, I went out and started working in the garden, clearing the ground, and thought I should make a video of this. So these weeds, I would just be picking these up, pulling them out of the ground, putting them into the compost normally. But because I've got chickens, they can serve another purpose first. They'll end up in the compost eventually, as chicken poop. But first, because of the type of weeds they are, make good food that will help make better eggs. Chicken food! So the majority of the weeds in the garden is actually dead nettle, which is edible for humans. I'll probably go over that in another video soon. And clover, as well as some carrot tops that just didn't do well during the winter. But it's all stuff the chickens love, so enjoy, chickens. Please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell.